Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have 2024 Nissan Altima, and I will show you which fuses to check in case your stop lights are not working. There are two fuses worth checking. This video should apply to 6th generation of Altimas made from 2019 all the way up to 2025. Also, if this video was helpful, please consider supporting the channel by liking the video, subscribing to the channel, or becoming a channel member. Now, both fuses will be located in a small fuse box which is under the steering wheel, just behind this black cover. To remove the cover, you will need like a small flat screwdriver, small key, or even you might do it with your finger. So just pry it down, that's all you have to do. And on the back side you have a small diagram, and this black piece, this is the fuse puller which you can use to remove the fuses and check them. And the stop lights fuses will be these two fuses in the top right corner, 10 amp and 5 amp. These are the fuses you want to check. And then if these fuses are good, then you want to check the light bulbs, you want to check the wiring, connections towards the taillights and things like that. But this is the easiest thing to do, check these two fuses. Thank you for watching this video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.